Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete files in Google Drive. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open my Google Drive application, and after we have opened our Google Drive, we can choose a file we want to delete. For instance, I'm going to delete this file. There's a photo. If we want to do that, we can click on the three dots on the file and we have to scroll down until we find the remove option. Click on remove and you will get this question and just click on move to trash. Okay, and now the file has been moved to trash, and if you want to recover or restore the file you have just deleted, you can go to the trash. You can click on these three lines and open the trash. Okay, and this is the file I have just deleted. If you want to restore it, you just need to click on the three dots and then you can click on restore. Alright guys, and that's all the way to delete file in Google Drive. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.